Wow! And it looks like number one, the whole favorite,
In India, an event only for the juniors is happening, and we've got more than 20 entries in all the different categories, totally put together. And this is basically, I feel this is a huge start. It's a beginning, and from now onwards, we'll start getting a lot of junior riders. And this is the future of Supercross in India. So I'm happy, really happy that Mr. Bose from Goa, Anand Bose from Goa, has taken the initiative and promoted this event. And a lot of people now are coming forward to have the same event in their cities.
My name is Ashna Shakil Ahmed. I'm from Goa, Margang, Goa. I started learning this from I was 4 years old.
रेसिंगाक लागून अभ्यासाचेर परिणाम जाता, पूण पालक तेको दिता.
Now recently there were my exams and the whole year I didn't study. So the last 15 days of the exams I had to study and then somehow I passed.
And how is your parents' support towards it?
They do support me, they support a lot. My coach Rustam Patel also helps me a lot in training and they do help me a lot in everything.
What's your message to young kids around here? Like, because in Goa this sport is not that popular.
Yeah, in India it is not that popular, but worldwide in America it's like one of the most important sports. Just called the farmer sport. I would say that they shouldn't stay at home, play video games and just be on the bed and play video games on their consoles like PS3s and PS4s and their mobiles. They should come out. It's not compulsory that you have to do this sport, but you can do another sport also, but please stay active.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.